Hello, welcome back to a new video from WEBA. Today I'm going to show you how to personalize your smartwatch by changing the watch face using a smartwatch application. In today's video we are going to use an iPhone, especially one of the newest model, the iPhone 16e, which we have right here. As you can see, this beautiful device is here with us. So without further ado, let's go dive into the video. First, you need to have your smartwatch and your iPhone already connected and paired. We already shown how to do that in another video, and we will leave that video available. If you have not seen the iPhone setup presentation and how to configure your iPhone when you first buy it, we also have a video about that. Now, to configure a new watch face, go into smartwatch application, tap on device, then tap on watch face or something similar depending on your smartwatch model. I am explaining this in general ways. So look for the section where the watch faces are displayed. Sometimes it is lower in the menu, sometimes it is higher. In this case, we have it here under watch face. Here you will see different watch faces that you can install. Some are free, some require payments. We are going to choose the free one. You can also see the watch faces that are already installed on your smartwatch. Let us choose a nice one. Maybe this astronaut one will work. Okay, actually that one requires points, so it is probably paid. We will not choose that one. Instead, let us show this aqua blue one. Let's tap on install. You will see that your smartwatch begin changing the watch face. This process can take between 30 seconds to 1 minute. It is recommended that both the watch and the phone are charged while it loads. Okay, now leave the device still, place them on the table and wait. As you can see, the transfer is almost 100% complete. During this process, do not turn off the smartwatch, do not turn off the phone. Then it finishes. You will see the new beautiful watch face on your smartwatch. Look at it. It is moving. It looks very nice, super cool, and very clean. So that is how you change the watch face. There are ranking sections, there are paid options, but most of them are for free. There is also a discover section. There is also a local section where you can see the watch faces currently installed on your watch. As you have seen, it is very simple, very easy. It is not complicated at all. I hope this video helps you. Please give us a like, comment, and share this video. Believe me that really helps us a lot to reach more people. And without anything else to say, have a nice day. Bye bye.